So this is 3/4 cup of tomato ketchup. This is Szechuan chutney. It is optional. If you want to have it, you can have, or else you can omit this. But this is almost say half a bowl of Szechuan chutney. And this is mayo. This is again 3/4 bowl of mayo. Here I have kept mixed vegetable ready. I had taken half a cabbage, 2 carrots and 1 capsicum, which carrots and cabbage I have grated them, and capsicum I have made finely chopped them. Since all of them have salt into it, I have taken very little sparing salt. This again goes as per the taste. Since I am using Szechuan chutney, definitely it has got lots of chilies into it, and therefore I am not using any other chili. In case if you are not using Szechuan sauce, you can use green chili paste as per your taste, and even you can use oregano, or you can use red chili flakes if you like it. And there lastly we have some pepper powder. So first and foremost I am going to add up all of them, and I am going to add up all the sauces first, and to that I am going to mix up the vegetables, and again mix them thoroughly, and I will prepare the sandwiches out of it. All the sauces I have mixed well, and to that I am adding the cabbage and carrot mix that we have taken. I like to eat pepper and little of salt, and again I will mix them well. Wow, it is giving out a very good aroma, and I'm getting tempted to have this. So at this stage again you can just taste a little and see, adjust the salt, or if you need more of green chilies, or if you want more spice, then you can add up little red chili flakes to it. This is ready. I'm not there's no need to add anything more to it, so I'm going to start making sandwiches from it. Since we have used lots of mayo into it, I'm directly placing the vegetable and mayo's mix onto the sandwich bread. These sandwiches come out really very nice and tasty. You can use it as a coleslaw sandwiches only. You can just use another bread on it, and keep it ready, keep it into the refrigerator for cooling, and that is how it will be cold sandwiches. They also taste really very good. So from the same thing, you can either toast them, you can eat it as it is like that, or you can toast them and have cold sandwiches also, wherein you can refrigerate them into for at least 2 hours, and when you eat them they really taste really very good, something like you get it from outside cold sandwiches. So since I am going to toast them, I have also laid the tawa. I am not doing it on a toaster, I am just doing plainly on a tawa. So this, my 4 sandwiches are ready, and another 4 can be made from this. So first we will do this 4 sandwiches and see how they taste. So I am going to put some butter onto the tawa and then place the sandwich. We will remove the excess if there is anything. We will remove it from the sides. and then place the sandwich on the top. They are on a, it is on a medium flame right now, and I will cover it with a lid for say 2 minutes time. Now we will flip the sandwich. So see, that is how it has been made. So I'm going to flip it on the other side. This seems to be done yet. Again cover it with the lid and let that happen. So let us check the sandwiches. Hopefully they are ready. Wow. So it has been toasted well from both the sides. You can see them. So I'm going to remove them. And I'm going to remove them in a serving plate. Same way we can do toast all the other sandwiches. So that is how our mayo and Szechuan sandwiches look today. There you go. That is how the sandwiches look. I have toasted them. You can just make cold sandwiches out of it by putting it in the refrigerator and bring them out when you want to eat it or when there are guests. I am serving it today with ketchup, green coriander chutney as well as Szechuan chutney. Also it can be accompanied with mojito, some fruit punch, or also with some soft drinks. And more, maybe if you want to add a crunch to it, you can add it some potato chips to it. Believe me, the sandwiches are very yum and tasty. Delicious one, and we have used all the good ingredients into it. It is full of vegetables. So if your children are sometimes reluctant to have vegetables, this is the best way to serve them. Hope you have enjoyed this show, the video, the recipe, and if you have liked it, do subscribe to my channel, share your views and comments, and stay home, stay safe and stay secure. Thank you.